Should I put the piece of wood there?
Previously on Cosmic Mojo, Clyde and his brother were building a backyard skid with troppers out of random wood they found in the backyard of their parents' house. Don't take it from AI, see for yourself.
There you go. Get acquainted.
I'm gonna try and run up it. It's better than the other one. This is my nephew. I'm gonna be skateboarding. Is that another one right there?
Where?
Oh, this is nothing.
Liam put a sticker on the ramp and it's in a good spot. That's feng shui, buddy. It's all about how you place the stickers.
Wait, do we need any of this wood?
No, we just need to skate. That's it.
This one easy.
Here, try this one.
I'm trying all the skateboards. It's kind of like my birthday. I'll test it.
Oh.
Kind of get frustrated.
Don't get frustrated, buddy. It's supposed to be fun. Skateboarding's supposed to be fun and effortless. I'm gonna send it to Dad. Nice.
I'm gonna try and make it all the way up. It's kind of easy with this one. It's easy for me and it's not easy for you. Hey Josh,
What?
my grip tape is feeling off.
That's alright. Don't worry about it.
Who cares?
Here's this what it's for.
Can you not do that anymore?
No, I gotta land it. I'm not leaning forward enough.
Ooh, that's a good save. Don't hit this. gonna follow you again.
Woo! That's a good one. That was high.
Higher than the other one.
What is that, baseball lingo? Nice.
It went by itself. Then run under, I went on the ramp. Neat. Buttery.
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 Ooh, that was...
Dramatic.
Nah, not really dramatic. That seemed like you really
Oh, look it.
almost ate
Down
it.
on this side. Go. Jump, jump. God, jump.
No, I jump over it? You want me to?
Yeah. God, jump.
Here. Should I put the piece of wood there?
I'm gonna go on. Hey, this could be my little hideout.
Yeah, there's gonna be ants under there.
Wait, can I do it one time?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I do it one time?
That's a big one. If I...
I'm going to watch from over here. Go.
I can do it. All right, ready?
Okay. You want to do another one?
Seen that?
Yep. Start.
Now we gotta get it from a different angle. Oh! That was high, bro. You almost went all the way up it. That was good.